I'm Rashima Kasal. I am the subject coordinator for English, and I have a work experience for about nearly 24 years now. Having said that, and being in the academia for that long, I just want to share that there have been changes during the COVID this time, and the national education policy has granted us certain things, and we have changed a lot. If you go back to Supermind, we had a webinar about what were the changes and why. So before I go on further, parents and children, students, tell me, MCQs, where have you heard this, or where have you sort of seen it? Can you just put it on the chat box? Because the changes are that now the board exam last year hua nahi, is baar do honge. But there is a reason to it, and that is to give you the ease and comfort, all right, because of the current COVID scenario. So no, just Olympiad exams, all right, okay, fair enough. Anything else? Have you seen it anywhere else, or sort of heard about it somewhere else? Anyone? Anyone, please, I'm waiting. No answers coming in. Okay, just let me just remind you about one thing. Have you, do you remember something that happens, something like what Kaun Banega Crorepati is? How many of you seen that? Just a raise of hands. Yes, Advait, good. Kaun Banega Crorepati? Or kitni choices aati hain usme? And there is, yes, see, so we know, we are aware of term 1, which is going to be MCQ based, totally. So what is MCQ? Is it multiple choice question or most confusing question? No. No. Thank you so much, Ayushi, Vedant. You can put your hands down there. These are not the most confusing questions. These are the most scoring questions. I put my number there if you want to note it down. Like Dayaji said, you can send me, this is my WhatsApp number. Send me your queries. Take it down. That's my name. I will satisfy all your queries. All right. Now, having said that, why do I say that it is the most scoring question? They're not confusing. Because if you know the trick of what it is, another question like I had answered last time also, that why do we have MCQ suddenly? What happened? We never had MCQs, it was all subjective. Why objective? You know, no, these are objective type questions. Why? Because children, whenever you have to take the IELTS, SATs for universities, GRE, college entrance exam, Olympiads, yes, we have multiple choice questions. So what we realized was, after a research that took place, that our children had the knowledge, but they did not know how to tackle it. Can I take an example here for you? Now try and understand what I'm trying to tell you. You know that something is a car. The car has an accelerator, a brake, a clutch. You know, Dad told you. But that doesn't help you driving it till the time you learn how to drive it. When and where to use the accelerator, when to use the clutch, and when you change the gear. Am I right when I say that? Are you in sync with me? Am I getting to you? You understand what I'm trying to tell you? Why the MCQs? Can I see some raise of hands? I need your proper attention with me. Yes, awesome. So that is the reason why that CBSE said, let our children be global citizens. We want the best for them, so that you do so well, and so you're so used to this that when you go for your IELTS or SAT or GRE, how many of you want to be just in India? You want to go abroad? How many? Now let me see the raise of hands. How many are going abroad? Come on, parents have been planning. UK, Canada, America, Australia, everywhere, anywhere. I have to go. Sorry, I'm going to go. Only 7. And what about the people who want to be in IIT and all? Everywhere, children. Everywhere, whether it is CAT, SAT, you have MCQs. Okay, so that is why we have ready for you in your mind how to tackle it. The sooner you learn, the better you get. Okay, so now I am giving you a basic idea here. Please write it down if you want. I will keep this slide ready for you. This is very important for you to know what it is. All MCQs. Now, I have seen in various Olympiads, or sometimes there are 5 options, sometimes 3. No. Your term 1 MCQ is going to be offline. That is one thing for sure. It's starting on the 15th of November. Want to write down the date? And it is all there by the CBSE. I'm not making it up. All MCQs will have 4 options. That is A, B, C, D. Clear? All MCQs will have 4 options. There will be no negative marking. There are competitive exams where you have negative marking, but not in your term 1 MCQ. All right. Now, the options will be within the question and within the section, not otherwise. Okay, now let's say that earlier the MCQs you had, let's say 10 questions and you have to do any 8. Children, be very careful. The evaluation will be of the first attempted number. You can't say कि मैंने 10 कर दिए हैं, मुझे 8 मिलेंगे ही, और आपके first 2 गलत हैं, नहीं मिलेंगे. First 2 गलत हैं और 8 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है और आपने 10 भी किए हुए हैं, तो आपको 8 नहीं मिलेंगे, 6 मिलेंगे. Please make it very clear. Earlier this never used to happen. From now, this is a rule. Clear? Write down if you want. I can wait here and make it very clear in your minds. Okay? Now, there are 4 kinds of multiple choice questions. 4 kinds. 1 is a simple multiple choice item with 1 stem. Stem is this. Which of the following would cause acid rain? I'm sharing with you something which deals with all the subjects. And these are simple A, B, C, D. Do you see? This is very simple. 1 item, 1 stem, item, and 4 options. Very simple. This all of us know. Yes? Please tell me if you know, whether you know or not. Raise of hands, please. Ayushi hasn't put her hand down. कौन बार बार करेगा, है ना? Thank you, Yash. Thank you. Yes, thank you. So we have done this earlier. We know what it is, ma'am. This is very easy, we know. The second is going to be something like this. Simple multiple choice item with 1 stem and 4 options, but it will be a little different. A little different, all right? And then there will be these Can you see this? A, B, C, D, there's a pie chart. There is a pie chart and you need to think about it. It's not very obvious. Now, children, also remember one thing very, very clearly. What you need to know is that your idea is real life based. It is experiential. It is what you see in your real life, not always what you have seen and what you know about it. So keep your eyes and ears open. It is analytical. That is another thing that will come. Analysis and experiential. Then the second type is complex multiple choice items with 1 or more given format. Okay, complex means which of the following is a characteristic of a virus? Now there will be 4 statements given. Read it. I'm going to wait here for you people to, if you want to note it down, if you want to take a screenshot, please feel free to do so. The answer is C. You don't have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, those to be the answers. Remember, this term 1 is going to be on an OMR sheet. So the choices will be A, B, C, and D. Requesting you, just in the middle, note it down somewhere when you are doing your OMR sheet. Do it with a pencil first. You'll have enough time. I will teach you how to do that. Can you see this? Okay. Now, if I take more time, I will not be able to give you time for the tricks and all. This is the sequencing. How there is a sequence to things. Giving you a small little example. Very, very easy. All of you know how to wear your trousers. First, you put your feet in, put it across your legs, then put it around your waist, put a button and zip it up. You can't do it otherwise. So you need to know the sequencing and the ordering well. All right. Next, there is an assertion or a reasoning type, or true and false. There will be one statement, which would be the assertion, that is the statement, and it would be reason. This is what happens. Now, you have to know your chapter well to say, yes, this is the statement and this is the reason, or this is what it is, because here the question is both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. Please pay attention to the statements given. A is true, but R is false. A is false, but R is true. Children, you cannot get confused here. Both A and R are true. R is the correct. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation. This also could be the answer. So you need to understand the assertion and the reason. Is that clear? Can I see a raise of hands, please, again? And then I move forward. Thank you. All right. Now, there is something called case-based multiple choice questions. Children, often enough, I think you'd be practicing, and also we have Supermind giving you a lot of worksheets where you have the comprehension passages, remember in English, where you have a map, where you have not just a map, you have some data there, you have some pie charts there. Remember the analytical paragraphs that we did? That is earlier when this term 1 MCQ didn't come. That is what is case-based. So you have to look at it, analyze it, and then give the answers which would be there. So those can come even in your literature-based question, even in your science, even in your maths, even in bio. They can give you a picture, let's say a picture of lungs. They will ask you, okay, point A, B, C, D, okay, alveoli, diaphragm, whatever, and then they will say, okay, is this correct? And if they ask you in that very question and they put, okay, aorta or left ventricle, that is not part of the lungs, no? So you know where to stop. Am I right when I say that? Raise of hands, darlings. I need to see your hands. Yes, great, wonderful. So the question, but this is your situation. This is okay, ma'am. But now what do we do? Remember, most confusing? Most confusing? No. Children, I need to share this with you. This is very, very important and information which all of you may have. Kindly note this down. Both, you will get question banks, you will get your class 10, and you'll thank me, and there, ma'am, you can give us all your hearts, claps at this moment, because you will get all the question papers which are samples. This has, please note it down, for all subjects, children. Now, these are sample question papers. The worksheets that Supermind will provide will be based on these. Get it? So you have one sample paper. We know cbseacademic.nic.in is giving us the sample question papers, and what is more beautiful is they're giving you the marking schemes also. Clear? Please note it down. Prajakta, you can put your hand down, child. Prajakta, thank you. All right. Now, if you've noted it down, now comes the main. Children, this is very, very important for you to know. When I say there are tricks, this is how we go about it. Take your time. I'm reading it out. Read the entire question paper. It is, you know, sometimes you will say, oh, mujhe aata hai. This is A. No, please wait. Read the multiple choice question. It is in its entirety, means completely, before glancing over the answer option. Read the question first. Students often think they know what a question is even before, you know, what is it asking? You don't even read it. That is one of the biggest problems, and you know it heart to heart, whether your teacher has told you or not, whether your parents have told you or not. You know, oh, मैंने तो ये question पढ़ा ही नहीं. What is it asking? मैंने पूरा question नहीं पढ़ा, half में छोड़ दिया, and मैंने वो गलत answer कर दिया. You cannot afford to do that, dear. This is a big mistake, and that cost you dearly on the subjective type में हो जाता था. MCQ में नहीं होगा बेटा. So please read each question thoroughly before reviewing the answer options. First, you read the question. Okay. Answer it in your mind first. After reading the question, answer it in your mind. Then review the question. Here, it will prevent you from talking yourself out of the correct answer. Elimination is another very big one. Eliminate the wrong one. Okay. Eliminate the options which you are 100% sure ye to ho hi nahi sakta. Use the process of elimination. Cross out. Pencil se kar lena. Remember, when you go for board exams, you will take your ball pen. Cheap and best option, ball pen. OMR sheet ko pehle pencil se karna. Pencil, eraser. In your pencil box. That's all that is required, along with your iCard. ठीक है? Now, let's go to the next. Then what? You select the best answer. It is important to select the best answer to the question being asked, not just an answer that seems correct. Often, many answers may seem correct, but there is a best, the same thing. You say, acha, ye bhi to same hi mean karta hai. Nahi. That is not what is required. The best from those, jaise bete, paryayvachi. Your synonyms, the best suited in that context. Okay. Now, read every answer option. Again and again, I'm repeating. This may seem like no-brainer to some, means you're not, theek hai, ye to pata hi tha, ha, big deal. But it is the common mistake students make. As we pointed out, the previous section, they quickly assume there is usually the best answer to every multiple choice question. If you quickly assume you know the correct answer without first reading an answer option, you may end up not selecting the best answer. Please pay attention to this. Answer the questions you know first. I will give you in detail this also. So when I'm going further, make an educated guess. Sometimes you can remember, oh, ये तो मैंने कहीं पढ़ा हुआ है, context based. कहाँ पढ़ा है? ट्यूशन टीचर के पास, मैम ने बताया था, कहीं पढ़ा है. Think about that. We'll get into detail with this. Okay. So it is an educated guess. Pay attention to these words. Not, sometimes, always, never. Okay. An answer that includes always must be irrefutable. If you can find a single counter example, that means, oh, then the answer is not correct. Counter example means this always happens. No, this cannot happen. Not happen. Not never. Not happen. The same holds true for the word never. If an answer includes never, What is the problem? No, you will have to think about it. It usually is best to stick with your first choice, but not always. Because if you have read, then okay. If you haven't read, then change. Now, if there is something called all of the above and none of the above, when you encounter all of the above or none of the above, don't select all of the above. Because again, like I told you, always and never, there is a problem there. Okay? When there are seemingly two correct answers, when two answers are correct in a multiple choice, all of the above is then probably the correct answer. Now you know that when is all of the above the proper answer. When is it? When there are two seemingly correct answers. Place your bet on the positive option. In most cases, a positive option is probably true. Because if there is a negative one, it is a positive one which is true. The more information, the better. You should have lots of information. That means you should read a little more than what your textbook is. A little extra than your just textbook. हाँ मैंने chapter पढ़ लिया mom, मैंने ये chapter पढ़ नहीं. Dad, but मैंने खत्म तो कर लिया. No, a little more research. You all have laptops. You are there today. You all have your phones. You can always go a little beyond yourself, okay? Because it should be an educated guess. Now, having said that, we'll take a breather, take a new page, because I am going to suggest something very important and put number one. How do we do this? Plan your time. Time management is one of the key success factors for your MCQ exams. So tackle the continuous panic. Oh my God, मेरे से तो हो नहीं पाएगा. How many of you do that? Now let me see some hands. Ma'am, 60 questions, 50 करने हैं. Ma'am, 90 minutes ही तो है. Good, 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 good. Yes, I'm so happy you're honest. I'm so happy you're honest. हो जाएगा बेटे, सब हो जाएगा. Trust me, you need to do some management. Plan your time. Okay? So what I've done is this. This is for your future also. This is for term 1 also. Thank you so much. You divide your MCQ time into 3 parts. Okay? When you get your paper, you'll get 15 minutes of reading, which I haven't added to this. When you get your 15 minutes of reading, you will have to suno, aram se suno. OMR sheet mein, you have to put in your name, your admission number, your center number, right? Your roll number, your school code. These 5 things will go. Practice karna shuru karo. OMR sheets online available hai, सबके पास है, Supermind के पास भी है. Practice करो तो वो जल्दी हो जाएगा in 5 minutes without a mistake. पहले पेंसिल से करना, फिर जेल पेन से करना, वो हो जाएगा. You're left with 10 minutes. 10 minutes में क्या करोगे बेटे? 10 minutes में आप पूरा पेपर पढ़ लोगे जब आपके पास पेपर आ जाएगा. Reading time मिलेगा. Get it? What do you do? तो वो तो मैम इतना तो हमें पता ही है. अब देखो, and I'm waiting, copy करो. 3-hour paper. If it is a 3-hour paper, जो हमारा होता है SAT का, GRE का, उनका 3-hour paper में हम 45 minutes पहले देते हैं. हम उसको skimming through it. We skim through it. 90 minutes जो हमारे को easy वाले questions हैं, हम वो सारे कर लेते हैं. अब हम उसको छोड़ते हैं, लिखना है लिख लो. हम 90 minutes जो हमारा term 1 का पेपर है, फर्स्ट हमने पेपर पढ़ लिया पूरा. 15 minutes में मेरे हिसाब से अगर इंग्लिश कर रहे हैं या whatever, the easy pick, the questions which you are very sure of, वो कर लो पेंसिल से, शीट पे मार्क कर लो. कर लिया. उसके बाद the questions which are tougher, क्योंकि वो तो हमने मार्क्स पॉकेट कर लिए. 15 minutes में लेट्स से मैंने मार्क्स पॉकेट कर लिए 20. ओ वंडरफुल, 40 मार्क्स का तो पेपर है। ओहो, अब तो टफ वाले हैं। नाउ व्हाट डू आई डू? I still have 55 minutes, whether it is chemistry, whether it's maths, where you have the tougher questions, where you have to do your working, yeah, whether you have to sit and think like this. Now what? First 15, okay, 15 I'm saying, we'll mark it as 15. You can take 20 minutes, and 50 minutes we'll give for things which you have to work out on. And the last 20 minutes is for the guessing the things which you never could know, guessing those questions which have not been dealt with. क्या करूं, ये तो मैं बिल्कुल ब्लैंक हूं, ऐसे होता है बेटे? कैन यू प्लीज शेयर? हैंड्स। ये पढ़ा था, मैंने पढ़ा था, वेयर, किधर? ये लास्ट 20 मिनट्स बेटा जो मैंने दिए हैं, दिस इज, सोचो, juggle your memory. Mind is a beautiful treasure. तुम्हारा treasure है, ढूंढो. These are context based. ये information जो है मैंने पेज के लेफ्ट साइड में पढ़ा था, ओ ये डायग्राम राइट हैंड साइड टॉप में था, नहीं, ये जब शालू मैम आई थी ना, तो सुमित मुझे कुछ कह रहा था, ये मैं तब मिस कर गई। ऐसा भी होता है, याद आया? You have to juggle your memory. I promise you, you will get the answers. Okay? Now I'm going a little further. Read it. अच्छा, कहीं मैंने किसी एक्स्ट्रा बुक में नहीं तो पढ़ा था, ओ नहीं, ये तो कौन बनेगा करोड़पति में था। Think context based. ये 20 minutes जो लास्ट के हैं, ये हम वो guessing वाले के लिए छोड़ेंगे, and not just that, ये हम रिवाइज करेंगे, ठीक है? Now there is a book by Barbara Oakley, A Mind for Numbers, How to Excel in Maths and Science. What she says is, you start with your easy and then go to the hard. ठीक है? Jump to the easy technique. Don't rush it. Read the question twice. Pay attention to the words like not, incorrect, is always. समझो. स्टेम में हमने अभी किया था, एमसीक्यू में कैसे आता है, सिंपल स्टेम में, which is not, which is always, which is incorrect. तुम्हें करेक्ट वाला तो आंसर पता है, बट क्वेश्चन तो करेक्ट वाला है ही नहीं ना। क्वेश्चन तो ये कह रहा है which is the incorrect option. आराम से पढ़ो स्टेम। See, so pay attention to words like this and double check. Read all the options. You have to read it. Is that clear? Can I go further? Please show of hands, my dears. You want to write it down? Please, I'll wait. No worries. I can wait. Because with this, I am promising you something which I'll tell you later. This is my Guru Mantra. You noted down my number? Note this down. And then I'll tell you how you will be able to get above 90. Okay? Ma'am, how? Next question. How, ma'am? How, please? We want to. How many of you want to get above 95? Oh, just 16. Oh, 20 only. The rest, Kampla, finished. No. Acha, dekho, in maths, if the calculation is too long and winding, like I told you, किस में आएगा बेटा? वो जो 55 minutes वाला था, calculate कर रहे हैं, easy वाले हमने कर लिए. One easy method is to put the option back into the question, and if you see if the equation balances, बहुत आसान हो जाता है फिर, ठीक है? Maths में. In English or in SST, you have, एक तो grammar is a very important part. The people of Iceland, dash, dash, dash. See, a country located should be, यहाँ पर क्या आना चाहिए? The people of Iceland. Grammar है भाई. कुछ तो आगे आएगा, are, claim, the. So यहाँ elimination, I told you, elimination करना है. तो कौन से eliminate हो गए? A is missing the verb. Option D has no connection to the people of Ireland. So 2 are eliminated. ठीक है? You are left with B and C. ठीक है? Now, this is what it does. Check units and dimensions. This will give you a vital clue. Remember this. So, if it is the calculation of the area, for example, rule out the options that are not in square units. Even before you absolutely khatam ho jayega. Agar square unit mein hi nahi hai, you may land up with the only answer which has a square unit. That makes it faster. So the thing that was to happen in about 45 seconds, you get it in just about 10 seconds. See, so you're getting more time for the next question. Okay. Then, like I was telling you, context-based memory. Sometimes you have foggy answers in your mind. We try our level best just to recall. Oh, it says to recall some missing information. Try to remember where you studied it. Was it on a book or on online, or is it a tuition teacher from a friend? Corner page? Was the graph? Yes, it does help you. It works even if you forgot where you kept your keys. I'll ask you one thing right now. I know for sure if parents are with me, जब keys घर की या cupboard की mom छोड़ जाती हैं, तो she or dad, they deep breathe and go to the last place that they remember the keys could be. That is what you need to do in your mind. Trust me, ask your parents, do they do that or not? All right. So this is very, very important for you to realize when you're guessing. And here is the Guru Mantra. In English, this is called repetition. Practice, practice, practice. There is nothing better and nothing more important than practicing. No strategy to crack MCQs can be the one. Practice every day. Check your answers. Go back to the concepts. Again, every day, practice, practice, practice. Now you're left with the tough questions and there is no negative marking. Remember, I told you there is no negative marking in CBSE. So you can go make some smart guesses. You eliminate the options I told you. General formula for solving MCQ is to increase the probabilities. ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता ना. ठीक है, sometimes you might get lucky. I just told you only one option. Square वाला अभी मैंने बताया था, right? एक और चीज बेटा, in the book Rock Break Scissor, आप गेम भी खेलते हो ना, hand paper scissor, Rock Break Scissor, a practical guide on outguessing and outwitting everybody. The author has revealed a marvelous finding. The longest statement has the highest probability of being right. क्योंकि जो paper setter है बेटा, उनको they have to make sure that you get the right answer. So the longest statement will have the right answer. This is for the guessing wala tip. ठीक है? Then also, अब ये मजेदार है. Avoid the footprint. अगर question 30 है and you're saying, oof, and you've already answered question 29 and 31, and question 29 is A and 31 you know for sure is D. You cannot or you should not select A or D. So the answer should be either B or C. Make it very clear in your mind. Another thing I'd like to add here, there is, before you go to this, there is a study, okay, by one of the authors who says 90% of the times when you are clueless and you go back, 90% the research, I'm not saying 100%, so you cannot quote me, 90% of the times in an MCQ, the answer will be B when you are totally clueless, because B and another 75% will be C. That makes it, why? Because A or D, immediately first wala, everybody would want you to read the options. So 90% of the times agar totally blank ho, How many of you do this? Jai Mata Di, Jai Mata Di, Jai Mata Di. बोलो बोलो. अब नहीं करना. अब नहीं करना है ये, क्योंकि we cannot take that chance ना. माता, Jai Mata will not help. Yes, thank you so much. I love you laughing. Yes, I'm so happy. At least I can make someone laugh. It's such a nice day for me. I made you laugh. Along with laughing, I think I'm giving you enough to think about. We will not do things which are wrong, right? We know how to go about tackling our MCQs. Research has shown that if you don't know the answer for all particular MCQs, one option has either all of the above or none of the above. Always bet on these options. Okay? One reminder is there to make sure that either there is no negative marking, okay, before you try to guessing to me. Zyada guessing mat karna. In a tug of war between true and false, Poundstone, he's a writer, revealed that true is most likely. The stem will be with you in such a manner that the answer will be true. Choose true. Don't, ye guessing wale mein, don't choose false. Okay? We are a very positive kind of a nation. We always will give you positive. So true will be the answer, and the stem of the question will be framed in such a manner that the answer will be true. Then ये बहुत important है. ये सबको आ जाएगा. हम eliminate कर रहे हैं. मैंने अभी elimination बोला. North South options क्यों बोल रही हूँ? Because we are talking about trees. तो elimination में सबसे ज्यादा गलत कौन सी है? C, koala bear. अरे banyan, acacia और bamboo tree की बात हो रही है, तो koala bear कहाँ से आ गया? है ना? So similarly, numbers का भी होता है. Similarly, numbers का 100, 150, 200, 300 options होंगी. So कौन सी जो सबसे अलग है? We will just take that out. If two options are similar sounding, again I'm repeating, the right answer is in one of them, or if the same keyword appears. Keyword. Also, if two options are completely opposite, chances are that the right answer may be in one of them. Very important for you to understand this. Okay? If two options are similar sounding, or if the same word reappears in two options, the right answer is amongst them. So you have eliminated the ones which don't have it. ठीक है? ये सब probability का है. Grammatically incorrect options are most likely wrong. Gargi, can I request you to put your hand down? Thank you. Okay, grammatically incorrect ones are going to be wrong. Then, see, ABC, then there is no clear bias. However, when there are 4, the highest probability is 28% followed by, is at 28% is B. ठीक है? Then, one caution. Don't keep guessing. मुझे सारा मैंने guess. जय माता दी नहीं करना है. Student of the year भूल जाओ. कोई first नहीं आता है उसमें. अच्छा, एक और promise जो मुझे नहीं बोलना चाहिए, but as a well wisher, अब TV time, WhatsApp time बंद कर दीजिए. Thank you so much for crossing it out. Whoever did it, not good. Study smart. Practice as much as possible. Sit on a chair with the table. Keep charts on the table. Side में charts लगा लो. Science के लिए, maths के लिए. Do not sit on the bed. You have to study smart. ठीक है? You can't sit on the bed फिर हम सो गए. No, you don't do that. Make it clear, all right? And then practice makes a man perfect. You know that. Everybody knows that. Practice, practice, practice. And I'm sure you will be on top of it. Thank you. I'm going to stop this. Any questions? Yes.
Yes, मैम बहुत अच्छा गाइडेंस स्टूडेंट को
Before,
किया है।
one more thing I want to share, जो I said मैं surprise बाद में दूंगी, and it's a promise. You be with Supermind and with me, and I am promising you with their worksheets and me there, you are all going above 95.
ओह ग्रेट, यस मैम, थैंक यू वेरी मच, आपने बहुत अच्छा गाइडेंस किया है। डियर स्टूडेंट, अभी आपको कोई क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे तो नेक्स्ट 5 मिनट्स मैम हम ले सकते हैं ना, किसी के क्वेश्चंस है तो आप चैट बॉक्स में डाल सकते
डलवा
हैं।
दीजिए।
और अभी जो मैडम ने बोला है कि जो एमसीक्यू किस किस टाइप के एमसीक्यू आने वाले हैं, ये मैम ने बोला है। मैम, देयर विल बी OMR शीट फॉर 9th स्टैंडर्ड आल्सो।
See, 9th standard is within the school. Yeah. I'm sure the school will be providing. Yes.
Okay.
The school will provide OMR sheet for sure for class 10, because that is a board exam starting on the 15th of November. But MCQ sheets, of course, MCQ sheets class 9 will have, the school will provide. Okay. Also remember, practice. The school also wants you to practice more, so that 9th standard children, if you're going to 10th, it will be like a cakewalk. बहुत ही आसान हो जाएगा।
ओके और एक प्राजक्ता करके उन्होंने क्वेश्चन दिया है कि प्रैक्टिस के लिए और वेबसाइट की और क्या चाहिए, तो इसके लिए तो सुपरमाइंड हर एक सब्जेक्ट के 5 क्वेश्चन पेपर एज पर रिवाइज बोर्ड पैटर्न, एज पर अभी का जो बोर्ड का पैटर्न रहेगा उसके ऊपर का 5 क्वेश्चन पेपर दे ही रही है। तो सुपरमाइंड के नंबर चैट बॉक्स में दिए हैं, उसके ऊपर आप कॉल करेंगे तो आपको सब जो डिटेल्स है वो डिटेल्स मिल सकते हैं। और मैम वो एक सब्जेक्ट के लिए सिर्फ 666 में हम ये दे रहे हैं, उसमें जो ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म है और उसके ऊपर वो 5 क्वेश्चन पेपर का वो प्रैक्टिस भी कर सकते हैं, उसका आंसर असेसमेंट भी मिलेगा और उसके आंसर विद एक्सप्लेनेशन भी मिलेंगे। तो प्रैक्टिस के लिए सुपरमाइंड आप सब्सक्राइब करेंगे तो आपको एज पर बोर्ड पैटर्न जो मैम ने अभी टाइप दिए हैं, यानी रीजनिंग टाइप, डायग्राम टाइप क्वेश्चन आएंगे, केस बेस्ड स्टडी क्वेश्चन आएंगे, पिक्चर बेस्ड स्टडी क्वेश्चन आएंगे, ये सब क्वेश्चन का जो इंक्लूड इसमें किया है। तो विच प्लेटफॉर्म इज यूज्ड बाय सुपरमाइंड, वो ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे रहता है, उसका डिटेल्स है वो डिटेल्स
YouTube पूछ रहे हैं, YouTube नहीं। If there are more questions after this webinar is over, I gave my number, you can send me their questions. I will share them with Daya ma'am and we will all both get together. No issues. If there is anyone else who needs any answers, अभी तो Daya ma'am दे ही रही हैं।
Yes, thank you ma'am. तो अभी जो मॅम ने अच्छी तरह हम सभी को गायडन्स किया है, ह्या गायडन्स मध्ये मॅडमनी सगळं आपल्याला सांगितलं की कशा प्रकारे एमसीक्यूज येणार आहेत, तुमची टाइम मॅनेजमेंट कशा प्रकारे असणार आहे, हे सगळं मॅडमनी सांगितलंय। ह्याच्यामध्ये जो सिलेबस आहे तो सिलेबस एक क्वेश्चन आहे की सिलेबस कसा येणार आहे, तर तो सिलेबस आपला जो वेबसाईट वर दिलेला आहे फर्स्ट टर्मचा, त्या सिलेबसवरच क्वेश्चन्स येणार आहेत। आणि सुपरमाइंडने जे 9वी 10वी साठी FTTS आणि STTS हा टेस्ट सिरीज प्रोव्हाइड केलेली आहे, ती ऍज पर बोर्ड पॅटर्न, ऍज पर बोर्ड सिलेबस ह्याच्यावरच ती दिलेली आहे आणि ती ऑनलाइन प्लॅटफॉर्मवर तुम्हाला मिळणार आहे। 9वी आणि 10वी दोघांसाठी आहे। आणि हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर SST, मैम ने अभी बोला है कि प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस, और अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो ही आपको जितने चाहे उतने मार्क मिल सकते हैं। तो गार्गी सोनावणे फॉर पर सब्जेक्ट ओनली 666 इज फॉर एवरी सब्जेक्ट। सुपरमाइंड का जो FTTS रहेगा उसका मिलेगा। सो थैंक यू मैम, आपने बहुत अच्छा गाइडेंस किया स्टूडेंट को, और स्टूडेंट को पता चला कि टाइम मैनेजमेंट कैसा करना है, कौन कौन से किस किस प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस इसमें आने वाले हैं, ये सब आपका बहुमोल गाइडेंस सुपरमाइंड की प्लेटफॉर्म
पे। someone who wanted the PPT, तो आप उनको बताइए जो PPT चल रही थी वो तो फेसबुक पे अवेलेबल ही
या फेसबुक लाइव सुपरमाइंड का जो है उसपे वो जो लेक्चर है वो लेक्चर पूरा रहेगा, आप उधर जाकर वापस वो रिपीटेडली देख सकते हैं। इसलिए हमने फेसबुक लाइव भी रखा है ताकि वो अच्छा PPT, मैम मैंने भी ऐसे स्क्रीनशॉट लेके रखा है, तो बहुत अच्छा आपने गाइडेंस किया।
बहुत स्वीट बच्चा था, आई वांट टू, मैंने वो जिसने वो स्क्रैच कर दिया था जब मैंने कुछ एक्स्ट्रा बोला तो मुझे वो स्वीट बच्चे से मिलना है कि वो स्क्रैच करने से कुछ नहीं होगा, प्रैक्टिस करने से होगा।
राइट, एब्सोल्युटली राइट मैम।
हेल्प इट।
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So एनसीईआरटी की बुक्स आर इनफ. यस, यस, दैट इज ट्रू. बिकॉज हम जैसे बोलते हैं मैम कि एनसीईआरटी की बुक्स ही बाइबल है, एनसीईआरटी की बुक्स ही
Absolutely.
गीता है, वो आप थरली कर लो. एंड जो सुपरमैन के जो मैम पेपर है, प्रैक्टिस पेपर, वो ही उन्हीं बेस पर हमने सेट किए हैं. तो उसका प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा. मैम, व्हाट इज द बेस्ट रेफरेंस बुक फॉर इंग्लिश, ऐसा एक क्वेश्चन आया है मैम. तो
So okay, fine. English के लिए, I think because English is important and English is going to carry on till your class 12. We are planning another webinar, ma'am,
yes,
very
yes,
soon, because it will take some time to explain for English. It is
yeah,
detailed and it's very different, unlike till last year what we have had. This time it's very, very different. So
yes,
we're going to have another webinar. Keep in touch with Supermind and
yes,
we'll let you know.
यस, यस मैम. राइट, राइट, राइट. अभी 9th फाइनल के लिए फुल सिलेबस आएगा या हाफ सिलेबस आएगा, ऐसा बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन हाफ सिलेबस ही आएगा ना. अभी
हाँ,
फर्स्ट टर्म सेकंड टर्म
नहीं,
किया है.
फाइनल एग्जाम जो है, इट इज टर्म अगेन, दिस इज डिवाइडेड. अच्छा,
Yeah.
9th और 11th में जो अभी वहां नहीं है, 11th में भी और 9th में भी वो स्कूल की चॉइस होती है, तो
Yes,
वो
ma'am.
स्कूल बताएगा आपको.
Okay.
बट अदरवाइज देयर इज 15 minutes फॉर आंसर्स, इजी क्वेश्चन. यस, मोर देन इनफ, बिकॉज वो तो आते हैं, आपने पढ़ लिया. उसके बाद आई एम प्रिज्यूमिंग ma'am is together with Good for English. All books are good as long as you can study them. I said do it with a pencil because of the reason कि it becomes very difficult for an OMR sheet. अगर आपका गलत हो गया, आप उसको काटोगे, वो नहीं मानता, तो हम मार्क्स क्यों छोड़ें? ठीक है ना? तो पेंसिल से करके हमारे पास इनफ टाइम होगा उसको बॉल पेन से फिर मार्क करने का. अगर आपका पेंसिल से भी चला जाएगा तो भी ओएमआर शीट में हाँ होगा, लेकिन आप काटोगे, गंदा करोगे, वो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. That's why I always say, but if you're very sure, take your ball pen and mark. I don't no, I'm not subscribing for OSWAL or EduCart. No, sorry, I don't believe in that. We work very hard at Supermind, and I don't think OSWAL is giving a lot of wrong things, but I'm no one to say that. Go ahead, make up your mind. Every book is good.
Yes, and टेक्स्ट बुक थरोली करो.
हाँ,
जो दिया
main
है
टेक्स्ट बुक.
या और टेक्स्ट बुक थरोली करने के लिए जो उनको ऑब्जेक्ट चाहिए, वो ऑब्जेक्ट ये हमने क्वेश्चन पेपर के ये क्वेश्चन पेपर के ऐसे दिया है, ताकि आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर इज योर ऑब्जेक्ट फॉर स्टडी हार्ड द टेक्स्ट बुक. That is very important.
Soham is saying how to attain English word meaning. Because अभी बेटा आपके स्पेलिंग ही गलत हो रहे हैं. Complicated. You need to read more and you will get all the word meanings. Your books are, NCERT books are so comprehensive. हर एक के parenthesis में word meaning है बेटा. आपने MCQ इंग्लिश के लिए, मैं कह रही हूँ, एक और वेबिनार होगा, डिटेल में उसमें डिस्कशन हो जाएगी.
एग्जैक्टली. तो उसमें क्या करना है, तो द समरी इज ऑफ दैट दिस सेशन इज कि आप टेक्स्ट बुक थरोली कर लीजिए.
हाँ.
और मोर एंड मोर आप प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए. इस प्रैक्टिस के लिए सुपरमैन के तो आपके साथ है. फॉर सुपरमैन सब्सक्रिप्शन अभी आप चैट बॉक्स में मैसेज आप डालेंगे आपका नाम और नंबर, तो हमारे जो काउंसलर है वो काउंसलर आपको कांटेक्ट करेंगे. और टेक्स्ट बुक थरोली करना इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और बाकी का टाइम मैनेजमेंट वगैरह मैडम ने आपको, आप सभी को अच्छी तरह से बताया है कि किस किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आते होंगे, आने वाले हैं, और उसका आपको अटेम्प्ट कैसा करना है, ये सब अच्छा मैम ने हमको गाइडेंस किया है. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच मैम.
Thank you so much.
lot. So
and all the best everyone.
yes,
see you for the English webinar.
yes, yes. और दूसरा एक है कि आप जो सब स्टूडेंट, सब जो अभी इधर पेरेंट आए हैं, उनको भी थैंक्स, क्योंकि सभी लोगों ने अच्छी तरह से मैडम का जो वैल्यूएबल गाइडेंस है, वो गाइडेंस अच्छी तरह से उन्होंने सुना है. सो थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर अटेंडिंग द वेबिनार. सो अभी जो आपको और कोई डाऊट रहेंगे तो डाऊट आप चॅट बॉक्स में डाल सकते हैं. मी परत एकदा सांगेन की त्याच्यासाठी सुपरमाइंडचं आता मॅडमनी जे वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे आपल्याला क्वेश्चन्स टाइप सांगितले, ते सगळे क्वेश्चन्स टाइप्स आपले जे टेस्ट सिरीज आहे सुपरमाइंडचे, त्या टेस्ट सिरीज मध्ये तुम्हाला मिळणार आहे ऍज पर बोर्ड पॅटर्न प्रिपेअर्ड बाय सब्जेक्ट एक्सपर्ट. हे आपण आपली जी टेस्ट सिरीज आहे ती टेस्ट सिरीज दिलेली आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये तुमचं इमिजिएट असेसमेंट पण होणार आहे, तिथे त्याची मॉडेल आन्सर पण मिळणार आहेत आणि मॉडेल आन्सर विथ एक्सप्लेनेशन तुम्हाला मिळणार आहेत. सो जास्तीत जास्त विद्यार्थ्यांनी लगेचच हे सुपरमेटचा जो FTTS आणि STTS हे 2 प्रोग्राम आहेत, हे प्रोग्राम त्यांनी सबस्क्राईब करायचे. 666 एवढ्या पर सब्जेक्ट एवढ्या कमी फी मध्ये आपण हे दिलेलं आहे. सो तिथे आपण OMR शीट पण अवेलेबल करून दिलेली आहे. ज्यांना आता सबस्क्रिप्शन लगेच घ्यायचं आहे त्यांनी लगेचच आपला नाव आणि नंबर चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये टाकलं तरी हरकत नाहीये. आमचे जे काउन्सिलर्स आहेत ते काउन्सिलर्स तुम्हाला कॉन्टॅक्ट करतील. सो आता आपण सेशनच्या शेवटाकडे येऊया. फेसबुक लाईव्ह बंद केलं तरी चालू शकेल समीर सर. मॅम टर्म 2 विल बी सब्जेक्टिव्ह राईट. मला वाटतं ते अजून डिक्लेअर झालेलं नाहीये की टर्म 2 कशा पद्धतीने घेतली जाईल. त्या ऍज पर सिच्युएशन हे टर्म 1 झाल्यानंतर तुम्हाला डिक्लेअर करता येईल. जस्ट डिक्लेअर केलं जाईल. आता तुम्ही टर्म 1 वरच कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करणं दॅट इज व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. सो थँक्यू एव्हरीवन. थँक्यू सुपरमाइंड स्टाफ की ज्यांनी हा सेमिनार सक्सेसफुल करण्यासाठी खूप चांगली मदत केलेली आहे. सो ह्या दृष्टीने सेमिनार संपलाय असं मी जाहीर करते. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.